Hello everyone, if you're new to my channel's Cooking Mom. Today I'm gonna cook some chocolate chip cookies, Pillsbury cookies in my air cooker. I already did a review on my air cooker, but I'm gonna try some chocolate chip cookies in it. It probably won't take very long, but hey, I'm gonna try it and see how it turns out. Also, I want to give a shout out to my new subscriber that I got recently and all my other subscribers. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like my videos. And if you're new to my channel and you like my videos, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, I don't have no parchment paper, but I got wax paper, and I'm gonna put this in my air cooker. So, anyway, I'm going to cut part of this off. Like I said, I didn't buy the kind that is already in a little thing. So, we're going to have to try it the other way. And anyway, like I said, this is real cooking. So, I'm just going to cut out some chocolate chip cookies. I might be cutting them too thick, but hey, we're going to try it and see. Alright, I got 5 cut. And it might be too big. Let's see. I'm going to cut some of them in half to start with. We'll try part of them. Because like I said, it might be too big. I'm going to cut them in little squares. Or part-way squares. And see how they turn out. I'm experimenting again. That's my favorite thing to do. Alright, now. Okay, I'm going to turn this to... I'm going to set my temperature to 350. And I'm going to do it for 10 minutes. And I'm going to put, mine comes with a little pan. It's a little pan, and I sit it down in there. And I'm going to put me some of this, it's not parchment paper, it's wax paper. And I'm just going to kind of double it. Now we're going to put some cookies in there. I'm going to spray it a little bit. Probably don't need to, but I'm gonna. I'm just going to do, let's see. Make sure the pan's covered good. This again. This is real cooking, baby. I probably should have just cut a circle out. It'd been easier. Okay, let's try this again. Move it away from the corner a little bit. I'm gonna do 6. This is going to be a small one in the middle. Now, I'm going to change that to 11 minutes. Yeah, here we go again, falling. When using your air cooker, make sure you pull it away from the wall, because that heat might mess up your electrical sockets. So just pull it away from the wall a little bit. So I've got mine pulled a good little ways. So that's just a little tip there I wanted to share with you, so you don't burn up nothing. All right, here is my second batch. They're still hot, so I hadn't got them out, but I don't like mine real dark anyway. So this is a turbo air cooker, and this thing, it cooks good. Because like I said, I cooked this in about 5 minutes. So, and if you like them real dark and like it cooked quick, cook it on about 400. You can have some cookies ready in about 3 minutes. Anyway, I've already tried them. They're good. I tried the first batch. So, I hope you like my videos. If you do, go on there and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And thanks for watching.